How to change or add another Shein shipping address. First, open the Shein app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the profile page, tap on the settings icon. From settings, tap on the address book option. Here, you will see a list of all the shipping addresses saved in your account. To add a new address, tap the Add a Shipping Address button. Then enter your name, phone number, street address, city, and postal code. After filling in all the required details, tap Save to add the new address. If you want to edit an existing address, tap the address you want to change, update the information, and then tap Save. You can also set a default address so Shein automatically uses it when you place an order. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials.